Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use autotune on Android. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So basically on Android there's no option so you can have an autotune, so you need to download an external app. So the best application I found, like of course all of them are paid for all their versions, but the best application I kind of found is that it's called something called Volaco, I'm pretty sure. So basically, let me show you the application. Let me just scroll. There it is. It's called Volco or Voloco. Okay, you're going to download it from any place. Actually, you're going to download it from Play Store or Galaxy Store or the Huawei app gallery. Okay, once you download it, you're going to. I've already had a test recording over here. But let me go back. Over here, you're going to click on record. I am going to test if I am a good singer or not, okay? But it's not going to work because I'm already screen recording, but you're going to click on this red button and you're going to start recording. You can add a bunch of different beats, for Volaco beats or your own beats actually. And once you have it, you have a bunch of different options, free of course, but if you want more options, you have to pay. But the normal options on the free options actually side are really good. So this is basically how you can have autotune on Android. Thank you. So it is this easy, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.